This tutorial is for students who have already completed their COVID-19 self-certification online, but need to update their certification with booster vaccine information. Visit my.csudh.edu. On the left side of your screen, click the COVID-19 Vaccination tab, then click Verify COVID-19 Vaccination. On the COVID-19 Vaccination Self-Certification page, scroll down to Section 1 and enter your booster vaccine information. If you have already submitted the information on your original vaccine, including the image of your vaccination record, you do not need to delete the photo. You only need to enter the date of your booster and the manufacturer in Section 1. To finalize these changes, click Submit. A confirmation page will appear to confirm your information was submitted. Click Finish to return to the home page. Your COVID-19 vaccination self-certification is now complete. Please note that you may make changes or updates to your selections by repeating the verification process in this tutorial. If you have any additional questions about booster requirements, visit our FAQ page. You can find the link in the description of this video. Thank you for taking the time to keep your community safe. Go Toros!